Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the URL of any of your sites on Wix, so let's get right into it. Now, firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my all site preview, just like this. As you can see, it's currently on all sites, and it's going to show me all of the websites I currently have made. And as you can see, this is the list. Now, to change the URL of any site you wish, you need to go on the three dots next to the site name that you want. This is the site actions button, and then we're going to go and rename the site. Now, as you can see, I can change the site name over here. However, you can also change the site address or URL. And as you can see, since I am on the free version, this is going to be my free URL from Wix. And as you can see, it pretty much just goes the standard route, HTTPS, then your username, .wixsite.com, and then /, and you can change the URL of the site here if you wish. Now, currently it's site 5, but let's delete the dash, for example. And as you can see, now I can save it. And once I save it, that is going to be my new URL. And now another thing that you can also do, I'm just going to go into the editor, and you can also change the end URL of any of your pages. So let me just go quickly into design for this site. And as you can see, it takes me to the website editor, and here we're going to go into the SEO settings to change the URL of one of my pages. Now, that URL of your site is just going to go send you to the home page if you enter it into the search engine. But once you have that set up, you can also change the URLs of other pages. You cannot change the URL of your homepage. You can set whichever page you want to be your homepage, however, but that isn't the issue at hand. So we're going to go into pages and menu, and then I'm going to select, for example, technology, go into the three dots, click SEO basics, and it's going to get me to this page. And as you can see, the URL slug is the last part of the page's URL. So if we were to enter the site URL and add / technology to the end, it will take me to this technology page, and you can change this however you want. Let's say, for example, 1, 2, 3, and as you can see, now that's been changed, and that is how you change your website URLs. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.